If you're over 50 and walking every day, but still struggling with stubborn belly fat, you may not need to walk faster. You may need to move differently. Today we're combining 6 gentle Tai Chi movements with slow Tai Chi walking to engage your core, strengthen your legs, and improve your balance, without jumping or putting heavy stress on your joints. Let's begin. Quick warm-up. Stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. Relax your shoulders. Keep your knees soft. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Gently shift your weight from left to right. Left, center, right, center. Keep your movements comfortable and controlled. We're starting with movement number 1, heel raise, chest opener. Our first movement is the heel raise chest opener. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Let your arms relax beside your body. Slowly raise your heels as you open your arms outward. Rise, open your chest, and slowly lower. Again, rise, open, and lower. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Don't rush. As your arms open, breathe in. As your arms come down, breathe out. Keep your stomach gently engaged. Stay tall through your spine. Imagine the top of your head reaching toward the ceiling. This movement gently wakes up your legs and encourages an upright posture while challenging your balance. If rising onto your toes feels difficult, lift your heels only slightly. You can also keep one hand close to a chair or wall for extra support. Keep going. Rise, open, lower. Rise, open, lower. Last 3. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Hip twist arm swings. Next is the hip twist arm swings. Keep your feet comfortable and your knees slightly bent. Begin rotating your torso gently from side to side. Allow your arms to swing naturally around your body. Right, center, left, center. Let your arms stay loose. Don't force the twist. Your movement should feel smooth and comfortable through your waist and lower back. As you rotate, gently engage your abdominal muscles. Think about turning from your center rather than throwing your arms from side to side. Right, center, left, center. Keep your breathing relaxed. If your back feels stiff, simply make the movement smaller. You don't need a large twist. Control is more important than range. Feel the gentle rotation through your waist. Keep going. Slow, smooth, controlled. 3, 2, 1. Return to center. Horse stance, side arm stretch. Movement 3 is the horse stance side arm stretch. Step your feet slightly wider than your hips. Keep your toes comfortably forward. Bend your knees just a little. You don't need to go low. Raise your right arm overhead and gently reach toward the left. Return to center. Now switch. Left arm up, reach toward the right. Return. Again, reach, center. Reach, center. Keep both feet connected to the floor. Keep your chest lifted. Try not to lean forward. Imagine growing taller through your spine before reaching sideways. You should feel a gentle stretch along the side of your torso. At the same time, your wider stance keeps your legs active. Breathe in through the center. Breathe out as you reach. Keep it comfortable. 3, 2, 1. Slowly return to center. Step back arm pull down. Now we have the step back arm pull down. Start with your feet underneath your hips. Raise your hands comfortably in front of your body. Take a small step backward with your right foot. At the same time, gently pull your arms down toward your sides. Return to center. Now step back with your left foot. Pull down and return. Again, right, step back, pull, center, left, step back, pull, center. Keep your backward steps small and controlled. Stay tall. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Feel where your weight is before taking your next step. This movement challenges your balance and coordination while getting your arms and legs working together. If stepping backward feels difficult, make your steps smaller or practice beside a chair. Keep going. Step, pull, return. Step, pull, return. 3, 2, 1, and center. Squat and twist. Movement 5 is the squat and twist. Place your feet slightly wider than hip width. Keep your chest lifted. Slowly bend your knees and send your hips slightly backward. Remember, you only need a shallow squat. Now rise and gently rotate your torso toward the right. Back to center. Lower again. Rise and rotate left. Again. Down, up, twist. Down, up, twist. Keep your knees comfortable. Don't worry about how low you can go. Especially after 50, control is much more important than depth. As you rise and rotate, gently engage your abdominal muscles. Feel your legs working. Feel your core controlling the rotation. If your knees are sensitive, reduce the squat to a small knee bend. No bouncing, no rushing. Slow, controlled, smooth. 3, 2, 1. Stand tall. Excellent. Heel push with hook hand. Our sixth movement is the heel push with hook hand. Shift your weight gently onto your left leg. Place your right heel forward. At the same time, extend one hand forward in a soft pushing motion, while the opposite hand forms a relaxed hook shape. Slowly return to center. Now switch sides. Left heel forward. Push. Return. Again. Right heel. Push. Return. Left heel. Push. Return. Keep your supporting knees slightly soft. Don't lock your joints. Stay tall through your spine. Imagine your hand and heel moving together. Heel forward, hand forward. Return together. Keep everything smooth. This movement challenges your balance while coordinating your upper and lower body. If you need more stability, keep your forward heel close to your body. Continue. Heel, push, return. Heel, push, return. Last 3. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great job. You've completed all 6 movements. Now we're moving into the Tai Chi walking portion of today's workout. 5-minute continuous Tai Chi walk. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Keep your knees soft. Now shift your weight gently onto your left foot. Slowly place your right heel forward. Heel first. Then lower the rest of your foot. Slowly transfer your weight forward. Now bring your left foot forward. Heel, toe, shift. Again, right heel, toe, shift. Left heel, toe, shift. Good. Keep walking. Don't rush your steps. In Tai Chi walking, we want to feel the transfer of weight from one leg to the other. Heel, toe, shift. Heel, toe, shift. Keep your steps small. Stay tall through your spine. Keep your stomach gently engaged. Now allow your arms to begin moving naturally. As your right foot moves forward, let your left hand float gently forward. As your left foot moves forward, let your right hand float forward. Step, shift, flow. Step, shift, flow. Relax your shoulders. Keep your hands soft. Imagine you're moving through water. Nothing is forced. Nothing is rushed. Keep walking. Heel, toe, shift. Heel, toe, shift. Now let's add a gentle Tai Chi push. Right heel forward. Slowly shift your weight and gently push your hands forward. Return. Left heel forward. Shift. Push. Return. Again. Heel. Shift. Push. Heel. Shift. Push. Keep your movements slow. Your steps don't need to be large. Small, controlled steps are perfect. Stay tall. Keep breathing. Inhale as you prepare. Exhale as you gently push. Good. Now return to your basic Tai Chi walking. Heel, toe, shift. Heel, toe, shift. Notice how your weight moves. Don't lift your next foot until you feel stable on the supporting leg. That's the key. Balance first, then step. Shift, then step. Keep your knees soft. Keep your core gently active. Let your arms float naturally. We have about 1 minute left. Let's slow everything down slightly. Right heel, toe, shift. Left heel, toe, shift. Feel your feet connecting with the floor. Feel your body becoming more controlled with every step. Now, add one final gentle push. Step, shift, push. Return. Other side. Step, shift, push, return. Beautiful. For the final few steps, return to basic Tai Chi walking. Heel, toe, shift. Heel, toe, shift. One more on each side. Right, shift. Left, shift. And slowly bring your feet together. Excellent work. Cool down. Now let's slow everything down. Stand comfortably with your feet about hip-width apart. Relax your arms beside your body. Take a slow breath in as your arms float gently upward. And breathe out as your arms slowly come down. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Now gently shift your weight from side to side. Left, center, right, center. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Let your breathing return to normal. Bring your feet together when you're ready. Place your hands gently over your lower abdomen. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Great job today. You just completed 6 gentle Tai Chi-inspired movements, followed by 3 minutes of continuous Tai Chi walking. This combination helps you stay active while working on your legs, core, mobility, coordination, and balance. And if weight loss is your goal, remember that regular movement works best when combined with healthy eating and consistent daily habits. If you enjoyed today's workout, subscribe to Senior Health After 50 Plus for more gentle Tai Chi walking workouts designed for adults over 50. Keep moving, keep breathing, and I'll see you in the next workout.